How to program your mind for success. Success is not about luck or talent. It is about how your mind is programmed. If you change your thought, you can change your life. Today, I will share five simple steps to program your mind for success. These steps are easy and practical. Step 1. Identify negative thoughts. For 3 days, watch your thoughts. Write down when you think I cannot do or it's too hard. These negative thoughts are your old program. You must replace them. Step 2. Replace with positive thoughts. Take every negative thought and change it to a positive one. Example, instead of saying I cannot say I can learn. Every morning, repeat your positive lines for 1 minute. Step 3. Feed your mind daily. What you read, hear, and watch becomes your mental food. Make a routine. Morning 10 minutes affirmation and visualization. Daytime listen to a positive podcast or audiobook. Night write three things that went well today. Step 4. Visualize success. Close your eyes and see your success in detail. Where are you? Who is with you? How do you feel? Do this one or two times daily for 3 seconds. The brain starts to accept success as normal. Step 5. Take small daily action. Thoughts are not enough. Action programs the mind. Write 200 words daily. If you want to be a writer, work 5 minutes daily. If you want health, small daily steps build your new identity. Handle failures. Failure will come. Do not stop. Ask yourself, what did I learn? What did I learn? Try again. Failure is not the end. It's information. It is information. Quick daily routine. Not one negative thought. Second, say one positive line. Visualize for 3 seconds. Do not small action. Do one small action. Repeat 30 days, and you will see change. Closing. Success starts in the mind. Program it with positive thoughts, clear vision, and smart daily action. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and comment one negative thought you will change today. And thank you.